Hey, Paw Patrol fans! It's the Chase and Marshall Brothers Super Show! We're the Chase Brothers, the plumbers, again. We're not like the others who get all the fame. If you think it's in trouble, you can call us on a double. The faster than the others should be Hulk Garner Brothers. Yeah! Hulk Garner Brothers. Whoop, 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 whoop! Yo, you headed for trees to hang on to your seats. You're ready for adventure and remarkable things. You'll be Bear, Hug Day, Nurse, SpongeBob, and others. Hanging with the plumbers, you'll be Hulk Garner Brothers to the break! Yeah, yeah! I say, hold on, the brothers!
Hello, I'm Tom Johnson, and I'm here to take you all to Oak Forest Tinley Park, where we find the greatest video maker in the world, also known as Super Mario himself, and he also named it Super Jonathan himself. Let's see what he's doing on this fine day. Super Jonathan.
Oh, hey kids! It's just hanging around in the house and just relaxing my time. You're probably wondering, what am I doing? Well, that's a very good question. I was working on this new picture. Pretty cool, huh? I call it Chase and Marshall Brothers Halloween Day. I just made it before when I went to school. Now, having a day off from school could be maybe awesome, but sometimes people really need their money and also need their paychecks to work hard and mostly keep their house. Sure is almost through summertime. I hope there will be no more problems at all until summer has coming. So now, it'll be a good time for us to have some really good times.
Hello, Super Jonathan!
Why, if it isn't my old friend Super Mario, my new best friend. Mario, say hello to the nice people.
Hey, paisanos! So, Jonathan, could I ask you a question?
What is your question, Mario?
Well, picture this. Twilight Sparkle has come to Adventure Bay to see SpongeBob SquarePants, and she totally missed her best friend.
Twilight Sparkle has arrived into Adventure Bay? That's really cool.
Very super cool, but there's one problem. Sandy.
Sandy? What's wrong with her?
Well, you see, Sandy Cheeks got a little bit jealous from Twilight Sparkle. Thought she was the best friend to SpongeBob SquarePants all the time. But now these two are fighting over for their bestest friends.
That's terrible. Twilight Sparkle seemed really friends with SpongeBob very much. So why is Sandy Cheeks been so jealous about her?
Well, you see, Jonathan, Sandy and Twilight Sparkle are really having hard times to each other. They need to learn how to get along.
Being with your friends is hard work and hard friendships. You know, that reminds me of a time when SpongeBob has some friends in Adventure Bay. And that reminds me of a time when I used to have a hard times back in school. Hey, you kids want to see that cartoon? You do? Well then, launch the cartoon!
Chase and Marshall Brothers and the Golden Plumber Crew team meet Twilight Sparkle.
Nothing like having quality time with my dear brother Marshall. Ain't there, brother?
You could say that again, dear brother.
What? Why, you're a penguin. Well, what is a penguin doing here?
We interrupt this program for an important announcement.
Marty Muckraker here.
Is bringing you some special news to this special day. Something is odd is going today. It appears to be some kind of pony or some kind of horse flying into the sky, looking for someone who they respecting to. So nobody needs to worry. We're going to make sure we can get her down.
Stop! You are under arrest!
Not me.
Wait! Look!
A princess!
Where?
We got her now!
You tricked me.
Excuse me, sir.
But I think it's time we get out of here. What is that supposed to mean?
This is the last straw. I will able to destroy you all.
Everybody run!
Oh no, Adventure City is in trouble! We gotta find a way to calm her down. Marshall, call out the crew!
Aye, aye.
The Golden Plumber Crew Team!
The Golden Plumber Crew Team, yeah. Uh-oh, the Golden Plumber Crew Team. Uh-oh, the Golden Plumber Crew Team, yeah. The Golden Plumber Crew Team.
When there is trouble, you could always call the Golden Plumber Crew Team and Jason Marshall Bros. The Golden Plumber Crew Team are stronger, faster, and also the best, super best. Yeah, the Golden Plumber Crew Team.
Jason Marshall Brothers, Golden Plumber Crew Team, report for duty.
Alright, listen up, crewmates. Adventure City is in trouble. Those people really need our help. We need to find a way to calm this angry pony. And we need to get there as fast as we can. To the plumbing Vanmobile! Other way, you guys.
Ignition on rock
Alright, crewmates, this is it. Adventure City. We must stay together unless we want to survive.
Oh.
Officer Burgermeister!
What? Did somebody call my name?
These guys, sir.
Huh?
Oh, Jason Marshall Brothers, thank goodness you two are here.
I used
To watch you two when I was a little kid.
Well, that's very nice of you. Now, we just want to make it sure. Are you okay?
Yeah, I'm fine. I just got a pain in the butt. I just got shocked by that mad pony when we tried to surrender her.
Wait, did you just mention her?
Yeah, she's a female, and she had disappeared and wrecked the whole town.
Well, we'll never find her at this place.
Never fear. This looks like a job for Computer Jason Marshall! Activate Computer Jason Marshall 2000!
Greetings, everyone. Jason Marshall Computer 2000 at your service.
Oh, Jason Marshall Computer 2000! How are you two feeling?
I'm more than okay. I'm upgraded. Sinister 3.0. My game is next level.
Okay, we get it. Now, anyway,
Do you two know where this angry female pony is?
Yes, according to my calculation, that Twilight Sparkle has been living up top to that tower right over there. That's right. Possibly. Watch out for her magic horn. It's way so dangerous and really magical. So you better watch out. Don't make her really mad, 'cause she doesn't like it to be mad, and she doesn't like it to be tricked. And whatever you do, don't make her destroy you, or she'll absolutely destroy the whole town again.
We'll have to try. Thanks, Chase and Marshall Computer 2000.
Oh, wait. One more thing.
Really? What is it?
The only way to make her happy again is to see her best friends.
Okay, so who is it?
SpongeBob SquarePants. Just believe me, buddy. This plan will ever work.
Well, you and your computer brother never lied, but we'll have to try.
Good luck, Golden Plumber Crew team, and good luck, Chase and Marshall brothers.
Wow, Marshall Computer 2000 is smarter than me.
All right, teammates, you heard the Computer 2000. Twilight is living way up there to the tower over there. Let's move!
Good luck, fellas. We're all counting on you. Oh, these guys are my heroes.
Excuse me, sir, but do you really know them?
Yes, these two are really from a Paw Patrol.
And these sea creatures are from
SpongeBob SquarePants show. Oh, okay. You want to go get some donuts? Yes, that would be polite. I'm starving.
Stick around, Paw Patrol fans. We'll be right back.